Hi, Betsy.
Hi.
Tell us about Miss Spinach and today's shopping event.
Okay, so I am a huge vintage collector. I've been amassing vintage pieces for about 10 years now, and when you love vintage, you just tend to accumulate and accumulate, and I got to the point where I was like, I have no room for anything else in my apartment, let alone my closet. My closet was overfull years ago. So I talked to Proper Topper, and they offered a chance for me to come for one weekend, put some of my favorite pieces out for sale, and that's what we're up to today. And so we had people coming in this morning right when the doors opened, and it was a madhouse, but it was really, really fun. Everyone was lovely. So fun, so excited to go home. So I had a great day.
Well, tell us about your blog and Miss Spinach. What is that all about?
I write a blog called Fashion is Spinach, and I actually stole the name from a book from the 1930s. It was written by an American fashion designer. She actually hated the idea of fashion as sort of trends that we have to follow every season. You know, you have to wear this color blue or this color pink, or you can't wear green. And so that was her whole thing. Fashion is spinach. Tastes bad. She really loved the idea of personal style, where you find the things that you love and look good on you and that you connect with, and that's what I love too. So it worked out well. And then Miss Spinach was just shorten that when I'm writing blog posts or tweeting.